Hi my dear students, so welcome to my today's lecture Basic Mathematics 12. This is the part 12 Basic Mathematics and today's date 24/4/2020 Friday. So I'm going to continue the same thing, equations. So in previous lectures we studied about the equations, linear equations, and today also I'm going to continue the same linear equation, but in linear equations so little bit complicated examples. So how to solve the complicated examples? So we studied some basic examples like 2x minus 3 and x by 2 plus 5, like these questions. I will explain one question and then I will continue some complicated examples. See, in this case, most students, what you are doing actually, you are taking this to this side and you are multiplying this 2. But it is wrong. Here you cannot take this 2 here, because first step, take variables one side and constant another side. This is the first step. You just check the variables. Where are variables? And cross check the variables once again. Here 2x is there, here x by 2 is there. These are the variables. So take variables one side and constant another side. So I will take 2x here and minus x by 2, then is equal to 5. So this minus 3 is there. Take this side, that becomes plus 3. Okay. Now, here this is fraction, but this is not the fraction. Here 2 by 1, make it fraction. 2 by 1. Now, take LCM to make denominator same, or else cross multiplication. 2 will be multiplied here. 2 to the 4. 4x minus 1 into x, 1x divided by 1 into 2. 2. You have to understand this here. 2 to the 4. 4x minus 1 into x, 1x, 1 into 2, 2 is equal to 5 plus 3. 8. Now 4 minus 1, this is subtraction again. 4 minus 1, 3. 3x divided by 2 as it is equal to 8. Now this 2 comes this side, that becomes multiplication, because here division is there. Right now the 2 is divisible with 3x, so that will be multiplied here. Keep this 3x as it is. 8 is multiplied with 2. 8 into 2. I hope you understood this right now. Now, so here again 3 is multiplied here. See, most students in your doubt, what you have done, you have taken this plus 3 is equal to minus 3 here. It is wrong. See, here into is there, that becomes division. So x is equal to, first you take 8 to the 16, then here into is there, that will be divided here, 16 upon 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, no, you understood this? Yes, so we will take some more examples, complicated examples. Now, level 3 questions. How to solve level 3 questions here. In level 3 questions, what we'll be doing here? We will be having the questions like 3x plus 5 multiplied with 7 is equal to 2x upon 3 minus 7 multiplied with 3. Like this. So this type of questions will be there. So now here first we need to open the bracket. Means first multiply this 7 with all the terms like this. 7 is multiplied with 3x plus 5, and here also RHS 3 is multiplied with these two terms. Okay. Now I will solve one by one. See, first you just multiply 7 here. 7 दोनों साइड मल्टीपल करेंगे तो क्या होगा देखो. 7 into 3x. 7 3s are 21x plus here 5 is there, 5 7s are 35 is equal to. Now here see 2x by 3 is there, multiplied by 3. 2x upon 3 multiplied by 3, then here minus 7 into 3. So again normal method, take variables one side and constant another side. Before that you can multiply this. 7 3s are 21. So then here 20x plus 35, and here see 3 1s are 3 1s are. You can divide. Okay. Then 2x into 1, 2x minus 7 3s are 21. Now you can take variables one side here. 21x, this minus 2x, that is equal to here minus 21 is already there. Keep this as it is, and plus 35, that becomes minus 35. Now 21 minus 2. Here subtraction is there. Here plus and here minus. Subtract 21 minus 2. 19. 19. X is equal to minus 21 minus 35 minus 56. So I hope you understood, because here this is addition. Minus is there here, minus is there. We need to add them and keep the same sign. Minus 21 minus 35 minus 56. Then x is equal to minus 56 as it is divided by 19. So this is the answer. This is the value of x. So question will be like this: solve. Then solve means find the solution. So this is the solution of that linear equation. Okay, now one more question I will take. So second question 2x minus 8 x plus 5 is equal to 8 by 3. So this is one more type question. See, this is level 3 question. In this case, so what will happen? Now again cross multiplication. Here we have to do cross multiplication, because this x plus 5 we want this side and 3 will be here. So 2x minus 8 and 3 is division here, right? Now it is divided, that will be multiplied here. See, I put the bracket because 3 is multiplied with both the terms 2x and 8, and here 8 is there. This x plus 5 will be multiplied, x plus 5. So I hope you understood this. Cross multiplication, 3 will be multiplied here and 8 is multiplied with x plus 5. So now again same method, normal method. We need to multiply this 3 with these two terms. 3 2s are 6x minus 3 8s are 24. Now 8 into x, 8x plus 8 5s are 40. Now what will happen here? Again variables one side, constant on the other side. 8 will be taken here. 6x minus 8x is equal to 40 is there already, plus 24. Now 6 minus 8. See, addition here, plus is there here, minus is there. So we need to subtract. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? 8 minus 6 करके bigger number sign minus is there here. So minus 2x is equal to 40 plus 24. Addition is there. So answer is 64. Now x is equal to 64 divided by minus 2. Here see, into is there. Then minus 2 will be as it is. So keep this minus 2 here as it is. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 32 upon minus 1. So that means here minus into plus minus. So x is equal to minus 32. So this is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood this. Then I will go for one more example. Dear students, so one more example. Solve and verify the solution. See here in this case, first you have to find the answer, value of x or unknown value, whatever variable is there. Find the value of variable, then verify the solution. Verify मतलब क्या करना है? You have to take LHS and RHS, and LHS should be equal to RHS. Okay? हाँ. So क्या करना है यहाँ पे? LHS equal to RHS करना है, मतलब दोनों verify करना है. अभी एक example लेते हैं. So I will take one example. 2 by 3 x minus 5 or x minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6 2x plus 8. Okay, so in this case here, first we need to open the bracket. Before that, you do one thing. Here division is there, 3 whole divided by, this is a 6 whole divided by is there. So take cross multiplication. This 3 will be multiplied here, 6 will be multiplied here. Already 2 is there, 2x minus 3. Then again multiplied with 6. This 3 we are taking this side. So 3 is multiplied with 5 as it is into 2x plus 8. Dear students, once again I repeat, see here, this C6 is multiplied here in LHS and this 3 will be multiplied with RHS here. Okay, now 6 into 2, 12. 12 into x minus 3. 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 2x plus 8. Okay, now 12 is multiplied with these two terms and here 15 is multiplied with these two terms. 12 into x, 12x minus 12 3s are 36. Here 15 2s are 30, 30x plus 15 8 za 120. Now take variables one side and constant another side. 12x minus 30x is equal to 120 plus 36. This minus 36 is there, this comes this side and it becomes plus 36. 12 minus 30 minus 18. Because here plus is there, here minus is there, we need to subtract 30 minus 12, 18 and bigger number sign minus, so minus 18x is equal to 120 plus 36, 156. Then x is equal to 156 divided by 18, that is minus 18. Now, so we need to divide 2 9s are. Now 2 7s are, 2 8s are. So right now, again, is it possible to divide? No. So minus 78 divided by 9. Then so if it is possible to divide by 3, you can divide 3. Yes, it is possible. We can divide 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, then 3 6 are 18. So x is minus 26 upon 3. This is the value of x. Solution. Solve means this one minus 26 upon 3. Now, so we need to verify. So verify by taking LHS and RHS. Verification. Verification. Take LHS. What is LHS term here? 2 by 3 x minus 3. This is LHS. Now we need to verify by taking x value. X is minus 26 upon 3, here minus 3 as it is. Now here what we have to take? 2 by 3. Then here minus 26 upon 3 is the fraction, but here minus 3 is not the fraction. So make it fraction by taking 1 here. Now cross multiplication. Minus 26 minus 9, 3 3 is a 9 upon 3. Now, so here 2 upon 3. Now minus 26 minus 9. So that becomes addition. So we need to add. Then what will happen? Minus 35. Minus 35 upon 3. Now, so is it possible to divide here? No. So nothing is divisible. So directly multiply numerator and denominator. 2 into 35. Here minus as it is 70 divided by 3 3 is a 9. Minus 70 upon 9. This is LHS term. Right now, so now similarly we have to solve RHS. Now RHS. So what is there in the RHS? 5 upon 6 into 2x plus 8. This is RHS term. So same thing, value of x, we have to put the value of x. 2 as it is here, x value is minus 26 upon 3. This is the value of x plus 8. Now 5 upon 6. So now directly multiply here 2 into minus 26. So here also we have to apply BODMAS. First we have to open the bracket, this bracket. Minus 2 6 are 12, 52 upon 3 plus 8. Then 5 upon 6. What will happen here? 3 and here 8 upon 1. 52 upon 3, 8 upon 1. So cross multiplication. Minus 52 into 1, 52 plus 8 3s are 24 divided by 3. 5 upon 6. Minus 52 plus 24. What will happen here? Minus 52 plus 24 means subtract. So 12 minus 4, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 28 divided by 3. Then, so what will happen here? Minus 28, 5, 8 are, or else you can divide here. 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. 5 into 14. 14 5s are 70. Minus 70 divided by 3 3s are 9. See, LHS is equal to RHS. RHS also minus 70 upon 9. Therefore, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Hence, the solution, your solution is right. Understood now? So, now we will solve some homework examples. I will give some homework. You have to solve homework at home. Thank you. Dear students, these are the questions. Question number 1, total 3 questions are given for homework. Question number 2, solve the following linear equations, and question number 3, simplify and solve the following linear